Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the vlog today. It's going to be a short one, but I'm replacing that part right there, that hose thing. You can kind of see the tape in there. It's like that right there. So I'm going to be trying to replace that today. I have the new part here with me. Show it to you. I'm gonna go grab it. Should probably wait for my engine to cool down, but this is the new part. So it goes on, I think, like that. So it'll go on like that in there. Yeah, I'm gonna get this hopefully installed today before the rain comes, and yeah, so wish me luck on that. I need a pair of pliers. I'll be right back. Alright, got me a trusty Leatherman pliers, so we'll get back onto this. Alright, so I'm thinking I'm going to need to take this off in order to get to what I need to get to. Trying to figure out what size that is. I'll be right back. Alright, back with more. Let's see. It's not it. It's like, I think it. Let's try it. Oh, that's also too big. Oh, it's 10. Alright, back with 10 millimeters. This one should be it. Oh, look at that, it is. Okay, I don't know how I did it, but I somehow got it to go on. So I used the what is it? So this is the new hose clamp that came with the radio. The part. It's about to rain a little bit. Look at those clouds. They're super dark. But anyways, I used the old one. So this is the old one. So it was able to come off all the way, and so I was able to kind of put it back on. So now it's all back together. I got everything back on. So I just need to close the hood and then start it and see what it sounds like. I need to grab my keys though and put that back on because that was covering that right there. So I need to do that, and then we're gonna start the car and see if it seems like it runs any better. Hopefully it does. Moment of truth to see if it sounds any better when it starts. The RPMs are definitely higher. I don't know if that's just because it was just starting, but usually they're fluttering like lower than 1,000 RPMs. Okay, it's kind of dropping a little bit, just fine. Or the engine just warming up. Well, I need to go get gas anyways, so I might go do that to test out the driving, see how it drives. So why don't we go get gas and see how well this thing goes. Alright, I'm at the gas station now. Holy cow, look at my hands. My car like bit me up. It's crazy. One takeaway is it seems a little bit more responsive right now, which is good. And it doesn't seem when I accelerate it used to spike up the RPMs and it'd drop and then it'd come back up gradually. Now it seems like it kind of stays consistently up if I'm like on the gas. So the pump just stopped, but it seems to be a lot better. So I'm gonna go get the pump out, head back home. So see you there. So I'm driving now, and it's very strange. It's like the clouds are super low. There's like this fog everywhere. I don't know how well I can show it, but it looks like there's just smoke everywhere, but it's like a fog almost. It's like the clouds are just super duper low today. Super strange. We're supposed to get some like rain and stuff, maybe a little bit of a storm, but nothing too big. But it's just like super strange how it's just like everywhere. You just look out, and no matter how far, it's not like bad, like I can still see through it just fine. But it's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like looking off in the distance and you see just kind of smoke just in the distance. It's super weird. Like, oh well, you can see it, but it's like you can kind of see. It's like fuzzy everywhere. It's like, especially right here, you can kind of see it. Oh well, but or like out in the distance out there, you can kind of see it. It's hard to show, but it's just super weird. Alright, so I'm back home now, and the main takeaway is that it's just better in general. I had to turn the camera off because I was getting pretty frustrated. I was out for, gosh, like 30 minutes to an hour just trying to get it on, and I could not get it on. I was like chewing up my hands, as you could see. It's crazy. I don't know why it won't focus, but it's okay. It just chewed up my hands, and I'm just like, you know what, I just don't have time to deal with it. So I stopped for a minute, I went inside, took a break, I came back out, and I put, like I said, the old hose clamp. Well, I took the new one off and took the old one off of the old one, and I had swapped them out, and that seemed to work because I could maneuver in a way without having the hose clamp in the way, where I could, you know, push the rubber past the engine, like the air intake, and I could push it past it and then bring it back in, and that's what I did, and that seemed to work. So from the videos that I saw like 2 or 3 videos, but they all just did it in like one try. They went shoop on one end, and then they went shoop, doop, and then it was like in. I was like, what do you mean? Whereas with me, it took like, 30 minutes to do. So, but I did get it in, and it seems to drive a lot better. So if you have any cracking and have any issues with like, a Nissan Sentra, try replacing that part. It can be a little hard, but just keep trying and you'll get it eventually. I also got clips for my air filter casing, because I think sometimes water or snow would get in there, snow more like it, and it would just cause my engine to just like stutter a bunch. So I got that, and hopefully that'll mitigate that issue. I think the only other issue I have is there's a crack in the exhaust manifold, which isn't that big of an issue, but I think that's what makes the car loud. The car's pretty loud, so I think that's what makes it loud, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But we got it fixed and we're all good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short little vlog today. It was definitely interesting to make as I got very frustrated. But I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.